Today marks exactly 3 years since I participated in the RHS Young Designer competition. It's been an incredible 3 years since, and I've done so many amazing, exciting projects and met so many incredible people, designers and clients, and got to see some really amazing sites. And for that, I'm really grateful for the RHS Young Design competition. Ever since studying landscape architecture at a university, I always knew that one day I would like to own my own practice or work for myself, but I never in a million years imagined that it will happen so soon after I've participated at the RHS Young Designer competition. It gives you a great exposure in terms of media and people coming to the shows who see your work, and if they like it, they might commission you for a project. And I think that was probably the catalyst in my career, because after doing the RHS Young Designer competition, I started getting job inquiries from various clients, and soon enough I had enough projects to understand that I'm able to basically leave my job or company that I was working for and start my own studio, my own practice. And that has been the most incredible, exciting experience. In the last 3 years, I have completed 2 more show gardens, both of which happen at Hampton Court. And currently I'm working on another show garden, which is going to happen overseas in China, which is really exciting. Besides working on show gardens, I'm also working on a wide range of private projects, and starting from small city gardens, also including terraces and rooftops, to really large countryside gardens in rural landscapes, which is, I think, really exciting because no project is ever the same. So you get to work on a lot of different projects and also meet clients and see various spaces. And I think the most surprising thing that I got to work in the last few years is actually writing my own book. So I think the RHS Young Designer competition gives you an incredible opportunities. So if you're someone who's thinking about career in horticulture, I would really urge you to enter the competition.